you have these little, we call them semicircular canals. And they are arranged in different positions. You have one semicircular canal that's arranged that's basically kind of horizontal. You have another one vertical, another one going down. So they're in right angles to each other. Now inside these semicircular canals, you have this little fluid that circulates. And in that fluid, you've got these little tiny crystals inside the inner ear. And then the lining of each of those canals has these little tiny hair-like projections that stick in the fluid. So now, as you move, turn, and twist, that fluid's circulating, moving around. Those little crystals move, they stimulate, they hit the hairs that are lining that stimulates the nerve endings, then that tells the brain, basically, I'm standing up, I'm laying down. You know, you can test that when you close your eyes, because you take away your visual system, and then you depend on that information from that inner ear.